Imagine earning money while sipping your morning coffee, enjoying a walk, or even sleeping. It may sound like a dream, but in today's digital world, it's entirely possible to build income streams that require minimal daily effort. These aren't get-rich-quick gimmicks. They're smart, realistic strategies that, once set up, can work quietly in the background. Today, we're diving into the secrets to making money with minimal effort, from passive income opportunities to smart systems that automate your earnings. We'll explore exactly how you can work less and earn more. Whether you're looking for a side hustle that runs on autopilot or a full-time income you barely have to manage, this guide is for you. Before we jump into the actual strategies, it's important to understand what minimal effort truly means. Minimal effort doesn't mean no effort at all. Every successful income stream requires some level of setup, learning, and maintenance, at least in the beginning. Think of it as planting a tree. You invest time and energy up front, planting the seed, watering it, ensuring it grows strong. Once it's mature, it produces fruit year after year, with far less work from you. One of the most powerful ways to make money with minimal effort is by creating digital products. Why it works. Digital products can be created once and sold an unlimited number of times without restocking, shipping, or dealing with inventory. Examples include ebooks, online courses, downloadable templates, photography presets, music or sound effects. Imagine writing a 50-page guide on something you know well, like baking sourdough bread, mastering Excel, or organizing a home office. Once it's created and listed on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website, it can sell while you sleep. Pro tip: focus on solving a specific problem. The more niche your product, the easier it is to market. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other companies' products or services. How it works. You sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank, receive special tracking links, and share those links in blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media content. Example: imagine making a YouTube video reviewing a camera. That video can generate affiliate sales for years with no additional work. If you've ever seen custom mugs, t-shirts, or tote bags sold online, there's a good chance they're part of a print-on-demand business. How it works. You upload designs to a platform like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble. When someone orders a product, the company prints it, ships it, and handles customer service. You simply collect your profit. Extra tip: use trending topics, memes, or niche hobbies to create designs people love. Investing is another smart way to generate income with minimal effort, especially through dividend-paying stocks or real estate investment trusts. Why this works. Dividend stocks pay you a share of the company's profits regularly, usually every quarter. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without becoming a landlord. If you invest $10,000 into a stock with a 5% annual dividend yield, you could earn $500 per year without lifting a finger. The more you invest, the more those payments grow. Caution: investing always carries risk, so do your research or speak to a financial advisor. Do you have photos, videos, music, or even product ideas lying around? You can license them to companies for a fee. Examples: upload stock photos to sites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Submit background music to Audio Jungle or Epidemic Sound. License your invention through companies like InventRight. Minimal effort factor. Once uploaded, your content can sell for years with no further work from you. Dropshipping allows you to sell physical products without storing inventory. With automated dropshipping, software handles most of the process for you. How it works. When a customer buys from your online store, the supplier ships the product directly to them. Tools like Oberlo or Spocket can automate product listings, order processing, and tracking. Effort level. Setting up the store takes time, but once running, it's largely hands-off. If you have extra space, equipment, or even a car, you can rent it out for passive income. Examples: rent your spare room on Airbnb, lease your car on Turo, rent out tools or equipment locally. This strategy turns unused assets into steady cash without requiring you to sell anything. YouTube can become a long-term, minimal-effort income source once your videos gain traction. Why it works. Videos can earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links long after they're uploaded. Minimal effort factor. The effort is front-loaded, filming, editing, and uploading, but a single viral video can pay you for years. The real secret to minimal effort income is automation. Examples: email marketing sequences that sell products automatically, social media scheduling tools, chatbots for customer service. By automating repetitive tasks, you free up more time while your business continues to run. Earning money with minimal effort isn't about doing nothing, it's about working smart. By building systems, choosing scalable opportunities, and automating where possible, you can create income streams that give you freedom, flexibility, and financial security. Start small. Pick one strategy that excites you, set it up, and let it run. Then add another. Over time, you'll have a portfolio of income sources quietly working in the background, helping you live life on your own terms. If you found these strategies inspiring, don't just watch, take action today. Your future self will thank you. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.